Hi everybody, I'm Kathy Markham. Today I'm bringing you to Anderson County, just about 2 hours north of Houston and an hour south of Dallas. We're on 82 acres with a beautiful farmhouse, and it overlooks this gorgeous, fully stocked lake. I'm gonna take you down to that lake in just a minute, but first I'm gonna walk you through this house. So I brought you inside so you can see for yourself that there is luxury around every corner. Check out this giant stone fireplace. All the flooring is the highest quality hardwood or slate. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a half bath, and one of the most awesome features is a loft right up there. So can a kitchen be rustic and luxurious at the same time? Yes, it can. The granite in here is exquisite. There's a farmhouse sink, plenty of counter space, and tons of storage. If you enjoy hunting, this is the place for you. We're close enough to the Trinity River where you can still duck hunt. There's also great whitetail deer here, as well as the occasional hog. So be prepared to worry a little less and relax a whole lot more. If you want to see this place, give us a call or find us online. Thanks for watching.